What if I told you we've already lived through 2026? Same hype, same headlines, same blind faith in a new economy. The only thing missing is the date. Rewind to late 1999. The internet is brand new, the stock market is on fire, and everyone, your dentist, your uncle, your barista, has a day trading account. Companies didn't need profits. They didn't even need a real product. Just slap .com on your name, and your stock could double overnight. The metric that mattered wasn't earnings. It was eyeballs. How many people visited your website? One famous pet supply startup burned through $300 million selling dog food online at a loss on every single order. Alan Greenspan called it irrational exuberance. Nobody listened. Magazines put .com founders on their covers and called them the future. Then March 2000. The NASDAQ peaked, and over the next 2 years lost almost 80% of its value. Trillions evaporated. The new economy wasn't so new after all. Now, fast forward, it's 2026, swap.com for AI. One chip maker is, depending on the week, the most valuable company on Earth, built almost entirely on selling the processors that power AI. Companies are spending hundreds of billions of dollars building data centers, many of them funded by deals between the same handful of AI companies, buying from each other, investing in each other, propping each other up. And just like 1999, the metric that matters isn't profit, it's users, tokens. Compute. Companies are valued in the hundreds of billions, while losing billions a year. Add AI to your earnings call, your product name, your ticker, and watch the stock pop. Sound familiar? Side by side, 1999 laid thousands of miles of fiber optic cable nobody needed yet. 2026 is building data centers and power plants at a pace nobody's sure demand will match. 1999 had day traders glued to CNBC. 2026 has retail traders glued to options chains on their phones, betting on the next earnings pop. 1999 had a Super Bowl full of .com ads from companies that didn't exist a year later. 2026's Super Bowl is wall-to-wall AI ads. And in both eras, anyone who raised a hand and said, "Wait, this doesn't add up," was told the same thing. You just don't understand. This time, it's different. Here's the honest part. 1999 wasn't all wrong. Some of the giants we now take for granted were born in that bubble. Some of today's AI bets will absolutely become the next trillion-dollar companies. But some won't. And history says the market won't tell you which is which until after the correction. Not before. So is 2026 the top? Or is it 1996? Years before the real crash, with the biggest gains still ahead? Nobody rings a bell at the top. Nobody rang one in 1999 either. If you want more parallels like this, markets, history, the patterns nobody wants to admit repeat, hit subscribe. Because if 2026 really is 1999, you're going to want to be paying attention.